In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Denver. Joder, hija de puta. Esta que hostias mete, tío. ¡Oh, qué hostia! Corriendo con el cuchillo en la mano. Ahora le pongo el ¡qué suerte, tío! Creo que están los tres ahí,
Sí tiene pinta de ser yo. Sí tiene pinta de ser yo. Ahora.
¡Venga, tío!
But it feels so empty without me. So come on and dip, roll on your lips, jump back, jiggle the hip, and wiggle the bit, and get ready, cause this is about to get heavy. I just settled all my lawsuits. You did it. Now this looks like a job for me. So everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me.
No lo creo.
So everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. Little hellions, kids feeling rebellious, embarrassed, the parents still listen to Elvis.
Oh, si no puedo ir a mandar los videos gratuitos.
Someone comes along on a mission and yells, a visionary, vision is scary, can start a revolution, polluting the airwaves, a rebel. Notice let me revel and bask in the fact that I got everyone kissing my ass and it's a disaster, such a catastrophe for you to see so damn much of my ass you ask for me. Well, I'm back, fix your minutes and I'm tuning in and then I'm gonna enter in and up under your skin like a splinter. Center of attention, back for the winner, I'm interesting. The best things in wrestling, investing in your kids' ears and nesting. Testing, attention please. Feel the tension, soon as someone mentions me. Here's my 10 cents, my 2 cents is free. A nuisance, you sent for me? Now this looks like a job for me. So everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me. So everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I just get a tasket, I go tit for tat with anybody who's talking this and that. Chris Kirkpatrick, you can get your ass kicked worse than them little Limp Bizkit bastards. And Moby, you can get stomped by Obi. You 36-year-old boy-headed said, you don't know me, you're too old, let go, it's over. Nobody listen to techno, now let's go. Just give me the signal, I'll be there with a whole list full of new insults. I've been though suspenseful with a pencil ever since Prince turned himself into a symbol. But sometimes, man, it just seems everybody only wants to discuss me. So this must mean I'm disgusting. But it's just me, I'm just obscene. No, I'm not the first king of controversy. I am the worst things and Elvis Presley to do black music so selfishly. But use it to get myself wealthy. Hey, there's a concept that works. 20 million other white rappers emerge. But no matter how many fish in the sea, it'll be so empty without me. Now this looks like a job for me. So everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me. I said this looks like a job for me. So everybody just follow me, cause we need a little controversy, cause it feels so empty without me.
Oh. Los están en punto,
Que no se mueve. ¿Cómo? Que no se mueve. Que vienen por atrás.
La dio toda loca, cuidado. Aquí no me espera. ¡Pum! ¡Buah! Humo en la puerta, de la derecha. Se lo pasa por los cojones, tío. Mata a los dos andando. Es nuestro